This is a Century wireless remote control socket. This product consists of one transmitter and several socket receivers. The outlets can be manually operated or via the handy remote control. When the appliance is plugged into the socket receiver, you can use the remote control to turn it on and off. All remote controller socket units have been pre-programmed and can be used immediately. To reprogram the transmitter, while the remote control socket is plugged in, press and hold the learning button for 5 seconds till the LED light flashes. Release the learning button and press the preferred on or off button of the remote control. Programming is now successful when the LED stops flashing. This wireless transmitter can be used for television, table lamps, kitchen appliances, iron, heater, Christmas tree lighting, electric fan, and many other usage. Please remember your appliances must be on in order for the wireless transmitter to work properly. For detailed information, please refer to the enclosed instructions.